We're very excited about Smart Grid Innovation Hub. We set it up about a year ago, and we were looking at the time at the unique opportunity that we have on the island of Ireland in the area of smart grids. We see huge opportunities for new companies in Ireland to develop really interesting world-leading smart grid technologies, and we were getting a lot of very excited people coming to us with proposals. But what we saw was there was a bit of a gap between people with exciting proposals trying to get them to market and use them on the system, and what the hub does is it gives those a route to market to actually come and work with us in a real system and try out their ideas and learn from it and bring it to a scale where they can start commercialising them elsewhere in the world.
Well, our main product offering is really around refrigeration, heating cooling systems, CHP and standby generators, gathering those assets and making them available from a smart grid point of view. We operate in two jurisdictions, namely here in Ireland, where we offer an energy optimisation and demand side unit to the food industry and also into the pharmaceutical industry. In the UK, we mainly target the food industry from the point of view of load.
REDT was founded about 5 years ago by a group of individuals who probably have around 10 to 15 years experience previous to that in energy storage. And we were looking to commercialise a vanadium redox flow battery technology. Well, I think the unique aspect of the product is that it solves time of day issues. You can store renewable energy, you can store off-peak energy with the product and deliver that when it's needed.
The company is Prepago, which is the Spanish for prepay, which indicates what the company is all about. It's all about delivering prepay to consumers through the mechanism of mobile phones, but it is actually delivered through networked metering. So it's designed for all utilities: water, gas, electricity and district heating.
GreenEgg Technologies was founded in 2010. We develop energy management hardware and software for the domestic and commercial sector. Our core product is the Nexus smart home system targeted at utility companies. We've been developing the product for over the past 2 years and we're just getting onto the market with it now.
Well, one of the biggest successes we've had over the last year has been our partnership with the Dublin Business Innovation Centre, the DBIC. And I think it's because of their track record and experience in taking really early stage companies forward and working with them in mentoring and business planning and advice to move them into commercialisation. And when you couple that with our expertise on the energy side and our ability to demonstrate and trial products and where we've seen in other companies succeed and fail in this sector, it's an excellent match for an early stage company.
DBIC offer a very good service to small companies in that they help them first of all think about where they're going with a business, how they might develop a business plan and indeed what their long-term vision is for the company. And they also understand then that those companies need to operate and get in at a good level into those larger organisations that have power and wield power in terms of smart grid and various things. So obviously lining us up with Eirgrid is very, very valuable to us.
Making that initial introduction by DBIC is a great help because it really breaks the ice with Eirgrid. It lets us approach a company that would be potentially hard for us to approach and get our technology and our product in front of them and give them a good overview of what we do.
I think in terms of the engagement with Eirgrid, it was essential to have DBIC. They really drove the company. You had very senior people in DBIC coming in saying, you need to listen to what these people have to say. You need to give them a hearing. You need to give them a half an hour.
What we've seen in the companies that DBIC have brought into us, they're very, very well prepared, very well thought out, very good answers to the questions. They know what their market is, they know what they're aiming to do. It's also really interestingly been a two-way street because one or two of the more exciting companies that came into us originally, we've been able to pass them through and work in collaboration with DBIC to help them get some of the benefits that DBIC brings in terms of the mentoring, the business plan development, the refining where is your target market, how are you going to bring it forward, how are you going to raise funding.
They put you at the table with the people in a credible way, that as you're sitting there talking to them, you have the credibility of the other people at the table.
I think, this is a really unique opportunity. It's a once-in-a-lifetime chance for companies to actually do something world-leading in Ireland. Smart grid is going to be one of the biggest industries in the world. We're open for business. We're open to help people out and try it out. The business innovation support system is fabulous in Ireland, and I think we'd encourage anyone come in and talk to us. We really want to work with you to try and make your ideas happen.
To be fair, I actually don't think we'd have got this far this quickly without it.